How to wear multiple face accessories on Roblox. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate how to wear multiple face accessories on your Roblox avatar. So if you enjoy changing your Roblox avatar's facial experience and wearing various face accessories, this tutorial is for you. To get started, open your web browser and log into your Roblox account. Once logged in, go to the homepage and select Avatar from the menu on the left. In the Avatar editor, choose Accessories, then pick Face from the drop-down menu, and you will find a variety of free and paid face accessories here. Try on the goggles to see how they look on your avatar. Looking good? Next, in the paid accessories section, select a face accessory. You will see your avatar sporting the new face accessory along with the goggles. Experiment with different face accessories to customize your avatar's look. That's how you can wear multiple face accessories. Keep in mind that some accessories may require a purchase and not all accessories can be combined. Always preview your avatar before buying. For more detailed instructions and information, check out the comprehensive guide of Roblox in my channel. I hope you found this tutorial was helpful. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials, and feel free to leave any comment below. Thank you for